Pardon me. Yeah, kind of multitasking tonight. I know it's your birthday, and I wanted to wish you a happy birthday, but I got a couple things to do. I thought I'd take the dog out to do her business and make your video at the same time. So you're what? How old are you? I forgot. Anyway, you look young. That's always nice. You know. Hope you have a happy birthday. And say hi to Eli for me. Sorry, Lucky's kind of nuts. When she gets down in this hallway, she knows exactly where she's going. And come on, Lucky. Go, go, go. Good girl. Yeah. So, anyway, so yeah, happy birthday. It's, what, 29? Something like that? And just let her out really quick. Yeah. Gonna kind of hold the door here for her. She's peeing right on the friggin' road. But whatever. I gotta hold this door or it shuts and I can't get back in. Come on, Lucky. Come back in. Anyway, so yeah, how you doing anyway? My dog, God, this is like the 4th time she's peed today. So, can't wait. Gonna have another YouTube gathering. Thinking of hosting the one in San Francisco, having a party at my house. You should come. Come on, Lucky. Good girl. Back down the hallway. It's like a little fire escape. You can't get in, but you can get out that way. And she's already back up. There's a little stairway here. Kind of nice. Sometimes I just sit here and... Wow! Laptops don't bounce. I kind of tripped. But anyway, yeah, sometimes I just sit on that stairway and reflect. And just get back up to my apartment. And I don't know, I'm kind of stuffed up. Gotta get some more Kleenex. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, not much of a birthday video, but there you go. I got 2 birds with 1 stone. Took the dog out and wished you a happy birthday. Oh yeah, and did I mention that you look much younger than your posted age on your profile? But yeah, have a great birthday.